Well, guys, here we are. We're back. This was in there. You remember. This was my little wash machine room. So, today, we are going to be painting it, putting new flooring down, tearing this shit out, cleaning it so it's kind of nice, and then maybe putting that back in. Let's get to it. So, I also got to patch this hole. Had that on there, but I tore it off because it wasn't plywood, so I'm going to put some actual plywood on, and I patched it when the wash machine was in here, so it was in the way, so it was a shitty patch. But, yeah, so, I'm going to go cut that, but I honestly think I'm going to bag all this up first. I'll go grab the tripod and shit, and, let you guys watch me clean up this nastiness, and then we'll cut this thing up. We'll get this put on real quick, which won't take very long. And then we'll just get right into paint, and we're going to rip right into it. It's already like 5 o'clock, and I got to leave town tomorrow. I was kind of hoping to wash some clothes tonight, so I kind of want to get this done tonight. But, I don't know. I'm going to be realistic, the paint's going to take some time to dry and whatnot. So, who knows how long that'll take. I don't even want to paint those, but I'm going to because they did it before, so it's all going to be painted. Got to replace this window, too. I think this is where that screen came from. I have a screen. She just stapled this janky little curtain in here. I'm just leaving it up because I have no curtains right now. And I walk around up here too naked for how many windows I have. Oh, it just came down. Well, fuck it. Free balling it. Fuck it, we ball. But yeah, that's a perfect example of how nice of a tenant she was. Look at all her little art projects, screws, holes, frickin' shabams. You should have seen what she had up in here. Fuck it. Yank. But yeah, look at this shit. It's absolutely ridiculous. Say whatever the hell you want in the comments. You can blow me. This is just unreal. If you're renting from someone, you should not be doing this to their fucking house. I don't care. You're smoking shark dick if you think otherwise. So, if you're gonna say something else, just save it. I don't care. I'll just laugh at you in the comments and talk shit to you. And I like talking shit, so I'll do it all day. Alright. Let's get the fucking tripod set up. Alright, yo. So we got this done. All painted. I'm gonna do something different with the windows, so I'm leaving that. I was gonna do that, but I'm not. Gotta block this in still, but I'm calling it a night. It's getting late. I got some stuff I gotta take care of still. I gotta pack and shower and all that shit. So, yeah. I will, might end this video right here. I might, resume it when I get home next weekend. We'll see, but, yeah, peace. Well, guys, here it is. I ran out of flooring, but it was enough to get my wash machine back in here, so I'm happy with it. I gotta repaint the ceiling at some point in the future, pop these back on, but yeah, I got all the way to the wall, over to like there. Gotta do this corner, this front section, and then start flooring out before the whole place, but I finished most of the edging on painting last night and some other shit. Got this room done, got this all touched up nice. And covered good, and yeah, that's gonna end this video for real this time. Catch you boys in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, for real though, subscribe, help your boy out. Quit being a bitch.